Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I like to show you how to update iTunes 12.9 on Windows PC. Let's have a look. If you have installed iTunes, first open your iTunes app. Click on Help button and go to About iTunes. Here I am using iTunes 12.8. Let's update iTunes 12.9. Again click on Help button and go to Check for Updates. A new version of iTunes 12.9 is available. Would you like to download it now? Just click on Download iTunes. Here, Apple Software Update window, select iTunes and click on Install one item. It will start downloading and installing. The total file size is 266.19 MB. It's iTunes version 12.9. It takes some time to download full updates. Depend on your internet speed. Download completed. To finish installing the software, you need to restart your computer. Just click on Yes button and restart your computer. After restart your computer, open iTunes app, go to Help and click on About iTunes. Look, iTunes version 12.9.0.167. It's up to date. Here the changes of iTunes 12.9. Here added acknowledgements button and license agreement button on About iTunes. So in this way you can easily update your installed iTunes on Windows PC. If you like to download iTunes 12.9 on your Windows PC, open any web browser and go to google.com. On the Google search box, type iTunes download. Click on the first link, that is download iTunes. Now from here you can download iTunes for Windows version and iTunes for Mac version. Click on Get it from Microsoft. You have to download iTunes from Microsoft Store by click on Get button. So this is the way to download and update iTunes 12.9 on Windows PC. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel to get update. Thank you. Thank you for watching.